So translating hard to hear messages, that's what this video is about. We have an August Mondays weekly series, an hour each time, in which we'll do this translating hard to hear messages.
The
They're hard
third
to,
tool, not rule, translate.
yeah, we have these 3 tools, not rules, 1, 2, and 3, and 3 is translating. So that's the
So,
focus of this.
so it will be translating your hard to hear messages.
Yeah, either what you want to say to other people you're imagining they will find hard to hear, or things that come at you and you're like deer in the headlight. I don't know what to say next. We'll help with that.
Or maybe some message that you think it's gonna be hard to hear for the other person you are planning to deliver the message.
And how we'll learn because we'll practice. This isn't like we're going to teach you something because words don't teach. We'll experience together what it's like to give and receive hard to hear messages. Yeah.
Give and receive. Yeah, I like that.
And we've helped thousands. I've been doing this. We didn't introduce ourselves. I'm Mair Alight. I'm a certified trainer, founder of the Withing Way, and
I am Gustavo Castilho, a certified candidate, and have been learning and practicing and sharing NVC with Mair for the last 4 years now.
4 years this month. Yeah. So join us. We want you to experience what we've experienced, the power and the ease and the fun of living a life worth living authentically, with integrity, and being true to ourselves, expressing ourselves, and hearing other people the way they want to be heard.
Yes, come, join us.